Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Etoro to your Robinhood. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then you need to click on this crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. In my case, I am choosing Bitcoin. Then you need to scroll down and you will see these two options. First is send and receive, so you have to click on this receive button. After that you will get your Bitcoin address QR code and wallet address, so you just have to click on this copy address button. Once you have copied your wallet address, you need to open up your eToro app and then you need to go to the crypto tab from the bottom. Then it will show you the cryptocurrencies that you have in your account, so just select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. So I'm going to choose the Bitcoin option. Then it will show you this similar screen, so from here you have to click on this send button. Then in first input box you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer, and in second input box you need to paste the wallet address that you have copied from Robinhood, and then you need to click on this send button. And once you do that, your crypto will be transferred from eToro to your Robinhood. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.